This is Travel Twins, and today you are going to travel with us to a very historical yet surprisingly well preserved in its natural condition, Robbers Cave, or commonly known as Guchupani. So, firstly, you will need to take slippers on rent. We recommend you to bring your own if your budget is low because shoes and a barefoot is a big no no. Your feet are gonna get cramped. Entry ticket here is very low, matra 35 rupees, which is a complete paisa vasool rate. Now a quick history lesson. As the name Robbers Cave suggests, it was used by robbers in 1800s to hide from the Britishers after looting their treasures. The mountain covered narrow paths and dark ambience made it a perfect hiding spot. Best season to visit this place is summers. It will be like सूरज की गर्मी से जलते हुए तन को मिल जाए तरवर की छाया feeling in here. It is packed with people at that time of the year. The path inside is narrow, so if you're claustrophobic, please avoid this place. You have to move forward against the flow of water, so you really need to watch your steps in there. And you have to take care of your rented slippers too, क्योंकि अगर इसको खोया तो 120 रुपए का घाटा अलग से भरना पड़ जाएगा. Well, it is a 700-meter long cave located 8 km outside the Dehradun city. It has a 10-meter high waterfall inside, so bring an extra set of clothes with you if you don't want to go home dripping. The only man made thing inside is the arrow directing you towards the path. Here, your mild to moderate level adventure begins. You can actually get a combined feeling of mountain hiking and rock climbing. There are no hinges there, so nazar hatti durghatna ghati is a common situation here. The mountain cover path, flow of river, and the Komorabi effect, where sunlight filters through leaves and mountain top, make this place magnificent and gives you a calm yet an exciting feeling. our 700-meter beautiful cave journey, next time when you get this unsatiable urge to visit someplace, we recommend you to gather your group of friends and head towards Dehradun. Trust us, you won't regret because we didn't.